Darren, on the flip side, is there a mistake that you've made that sticks out to you, either as a team leader in the past or as an architect or in the role that you are now that provided some interesting lesson that you think our audience should know about?
Yeah, there was one again. This just plays on the model that we're all in today with working remotely and quite often very highly dispersed teams. There was a scenario where I had hired a manager for a team thousands of miles away from where I was based. And I didn't know that person very well, but they came with a lot of good recommendations. And I didn't spend any time with that person's direct reports once we got the manager on board, because I thought this person's going to take care of the team. As long as they're hitting their results, then this is all good. On the surface, it looked good. Their results were fine. Feedback from their stakeholders was positive, but I'd never talked to anybody in the team for a while. And it actually took about 9 months before I did get around to talking to one of these guys, and by his body language, I could tell there was a challenge. And it turned out there was some sort of things going on in the team that we wouldn't really want to happen in terms of just culture and how people were being treated and so on. And as we double clicked on it, we realized many people have that feedback. And what I learned from that was never hire somebody into a team and assume that they're going to take care of things. Always check in on their direct reports just to see how things are. Don't believe status reports. Don't believe feedback that shows we're hitting our metrics. Actually look at how the people are feeling as well, because we've all worked in teams where you've had people maybe struggling from a performance point of view. But if you've got a manager who's struggling from a performance point of view, then that's impacting the people they manage as well. And it's a much bigger challenge in the business than just one person who's maybe not meeting their objectives. So always do your homework with the skip level, spend time with people across the organization as much as possible, and use that as your telemetry into how things are really going.